So good morning students. Our today's topic is, as you know, chapter number 9, class 8, chapter number 9, algebraic expressions and identities. So first of all we will start with the definition of the algebraic expression. Okay, what is an algebraic expression? So algebraic expression is a combination of variables, their coefficients, exponents and constants. Okay, all you know what is a variable and a constant. We had discussed earlier. Okay, a variable whose value can change, variable. Okay, variable means variable, which is variable. Okay, this is derived from the word vary. Vary means V-A-R-Y, vary, not V-E-R-Y. So vary means change, which can change its value is called variable, and which cannot change its value, okay, whose value is fixed everywhere, that is called constant. So normally we are denoting the variables by alphabets like X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Okay, alphabets are not variables. Okay, be clear, alphabets are not variables. Okay, these are only notations of variables. We are denoting variables by the alphabets of English language. Okay, so I hope you understood. Now we will discuss about constant, whose value is fixed everywhere. Like mass of our body will be same on Earth and on Moon. Okay, but weight is a variable. Okay, because its value will be different on Earth and on Moon. Okay, your weight will be different. So now I have written here some examples of variable, some examples of algebraic expressions. As you can see here, x3 plus 2x, y plus 4 minus 9x, etc. Okay, so three examples of algebraic expression I have written here. You can see that the variable is x in the first one. There is no constant, x2 plus 2x. X is called coefficient of, 2 is called coefficient of x. And x cube means 3 is the power of exponent of x. Here exponent of x is 3 and here exponent of x is 1. Okay, there is no visible coefficient of x cube. Okay, so obviously it is 1. So 1 is the coefficient of x cube and 2 is the coefficient of x. And here you can see on that 4 is the constant term, which is constant. Okay, which has written without variable. Okay, 4 has no variable. So y plus 4, y is variable and 4 is constant, and y having power 1. There was no power. Okay, no visible power, so there is power 1 only. 9x minus 9x I mean. Okay, so these are the examples of algebraic expressions. Now polynomials. What is a polynomial? Okay, so an algebraic expression, an algebraic expression having non-negative exponent of variable with non-zero coefficient is called a polynomial. Okay, so I have written an example of polynomial x square minus 2x plus 3, x plus 100, y cube plus 4x plus 5, etc. Okay, all these are polynomial. Now I know you are thinking, what is the difference between algebraic expression and polynomial? Okay, you can say, sir, both are the same. These are also algebraic expression and these are also algebraic expression. But why we are calling these polynomials? Okay, so I have written a note here. All polynomials are algebraic expressions. All polynomials are algebraic expressions, but all algebraic expressions are not polynomials. Okay, I am repeating again. All polynomials are algebraic expressions, but all algebraic expressions are not polynomials. So now we will try to understand the difference between polynomial and and on an ordinary algebraic expression. So I am going to write some examples of algebraic expressions, okay, which are polynomials and are not polynomials. I hope you understood. Okay. So now I am going to separate this board into two parts. First one, you can see here I will write polynomial and here I will write non-polynomials. Non-polynomials. Okay, so class, now you can see x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, this is all an algebraic expression. And here I am going to write x power minus 2 plus 2x plus 4. So you can see the difference between these two. Okay, here x having only positive exponent, but here you can see in the first term x power minus 2. Okay, it has only one. It has one negative exponent. That's why this is not polynomial. So it will be clear, okay, by next example. So I am going to write 2y square plus 3y plus 4. You can see combination of constants and variables and their exponents is called algebraic expression, and this is the combination. And I am going to write 2 upon y square. Is this a polynomial? This is not a polynomial because variable is in the denominator. When you are saying variable in the denominator, okay, and when you will shift it into the numerator, its power will be negative. Okay, so its positive power will turn to negative. So you will get it 2y power minus 2, 3y plus 5. So you can now understand why this was not polynomial. Okay. I hope you understood the difference between an ordinary algebraic expression and polynomial. Okay. So now there are some kinds of polynomials. Okay, three kinds of polynomials are there basically: monomials, binomials, and trinomials. Okay. What are the monomials? We had also discussed in the class. Monomial. Monomial is itself a polynomial. Okay. Polynomial can contain one or infinite number of terms. So an algebraic expression containing only one term, or you can say only single term, this is called a monomial. So example is, you can write y minus 2x minus 3y square, etc. These are containing only single term. Okay, and terms are separated by the sign of positive and negative only, not by sign of multiplication and division. Okay. So here you can see there is only one term. So it is called monomial. Monomial is basically one. Second thing is binomial. What is a binomial? Okay. So similarly we can say that an algebraic expression containing two terms. Two terms is called a binomial. So next example we can write with the help of two terms, 2x plus 4 minus 3y square plus 3 y plus 7. These are containing two terms and these are separated by the sign of positive and negative. Okay, there is a one sign of positive plus, there is a one sign of plus only. Okay, so there are two terms. There is one sign of negative and one sign of minus and one sign of plus. But okay, here are only two terms. Why I am saying that? Because you can see in the left of minus 3y there is nothing as written. Okay, but after plus there is 3, so 3y square plus 3, there are two terms, again y plus 7. Okay, these are separated by sign of plus. And the last topic is trinomial. Okay, so you can form your definition with the help of these two definitions. An algebraic expression containing three terms simply. For monomial 1, for binomial that was 2, for trinomial by name you know tri 3, containing three terms. Is called a trinomial. Is called trinomial. So examples I am going to write here. Very first one, 2x square plus 2x plus 3. You can see na two sign of plus. Therefore three terms. Okay. Two signs are separating the three terms here. Now minus 3y square plus 3x plus 4. As a try you can also find your. Okay, you can write your trinomials, binomials and monomials yourself now. Okay, beta. So now, but there is only another type of polynomial which is called constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? We will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.